Hi, I'm Cedric from RTINGS.com. This is update number 2 in our series of improvements and features on the website to help you find the best product for your needs more efficiently. A lot more is coming up, so stay tuned. This week, the update is about our new version test bench system. We have a new system to better show you why and when a score changes, to remove the confusion that some of you have had in the past. This video covers why we are adding this new system and what it is. On our website, our ratings change over time for 3 main reasons: firmware updates, new tests added or methodology change, and adjustments of the weights of the rating system. For firmware updates, we are going to continue to do what we did in the past and retest the potentially affected tests when a firmware update is out. The only thing we're going to change here is we're going to add an update on top of the review to let you know that it has been retested, whereas in the past, it was only mentioned in the affected section of the review. The new rating system is mainly to solve the problem of the later 2 points, when a new test is added or when adjustments are made in the weights of the rating system. In the past, we did so in a non-organized way, which confused some of you since you didn't know why the scores were different. At the same time, the new rating system solves another issue that might not be apparent at first glance: the degradation of old reviews of products we no longer have in our lab. Our other reviews were actually becoming shorter and the scores less accurate over time because we couldn't retest them. So, the solution we are proposing has 3 parts. First, we are now publishing all test and weight adjustments at the same time. We are also describing all these changes in an article posted on the website so that you can see what is different and why. The second part is the test benches are now versioned with a number that is shown on top of the review. This will allow you to know which review was done under which test conditions. And finally, in the side-by-side tool and the tables, we will convert the test results done in the older test bench to the new one so you can compare other products. But they will be grayed out to let you know they are approximations. The frequency of new versions of a test bench will depend on how mature tests are for that product category. For example, our TV test bench is more mature than for headphones. So for TVs, this will happen once or twice per year. But for headphones, it could happen 2 or 3 times per year. We will keep updating to the latest test bench all the products that are still on the market and that we have in our lab. An update will be posted on top of the review to let you know when this happens. Once a product is discontinued though, we will stop updating it and the review will stay at the latest test bench it was. So that's it for this week. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. And maybe if there's enough interest from you guys, we could do another video that goes more in depth into how the scores are automatically calculated. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel and see you next time.